Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So today I'm going to present about Jobstreet system, which is our project for software requirements specification SRS presentation. Our group members consist of Muhammad Ari Mazaini, Muhammad Ahmad Khalid bin Suhaimi, Hazmi bin Abdul Rahim, and Zaru Safwan bin Zulkifli. Next, for our project, we divided the task, we distribute the task into four main section. For section one is overall description, product perspective, product function, and user characteristic. For section two is external interface requirements, user hardware, software, and communication interfaces. And for section three, functional requirements, job seeker, employer, and admin use cases. And for section four, Section 4 and Appendix, non-functional requirements, performance, security, availability, and data flow diagrams. So the for PIC is presenter 1 is Muhammad Arizani, presenter 2 is Muhammad Ahmad Khalid bin Suhaimi, presenter Hamdan bin Abdul Rahim, and presenter 4 is Zaru Safwan bin Zulkifli. For section 1, task importance. For number 1, scope of work. Altered the product perspective, core product functions, and context diagram. Why these tasks are important? Number 1, it establishes the product vision. It outlines how Jobstreet digitizes traditional requirements like physical application and newspapers into a single centralized web ecosystem. Number 2, map high level boundaries. The context diagram defines how major internal entities, job seekers, employers, and admin interact with the system core before coding begins. Number 3, defines system scope. Consolidate all 10 major product modules. For example, resume management, ATS Kanban, and admin moderation to prevent scope creep. Next, what section 1 challenge face? The challenges is differentiating role boundaries, dissecting the initial overlapping data stream between the admin capabilities and the corporate employee configuration within the context diagram. And next is prioritizing features, balancing foundational features such as user registration with modern complex additions, NLP resume parsing, and premium analytics to create a cohesive scope. Next, I will pass the floor to the next presenter.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Muhammad Ahmad Khalid. So, Section 2 Task Importance Scope of Work. Alter the graphical user interface GUI specifications and technical system interface. Why these tasks are important? It because to ensure the visual consistency, mandates a strict dark theme styling spec, deep navy background with vibrant blue accents to optimize readability and prevent eye fatigue during job search. Second, secures data flow protocol. Set up communication specifications and instant WebSocket. Secure connections to keep active chat message and profile transfers safe from network drop of snooping. Last, guarantees multi-platform accessibility. Defines constraint ensuring interfaces downscale smoothly to 320px mobile displays and upscale cleanly to 4K resolutions. Challenge phase. The challenge. First, synchronizing multi-layer API architecture. Documenting diverse third-party connection endpoints concurrently, including payment gateway Stripe, email routing, and background AI engines. Second, fluid responsive mapping. Translating complex interactive elements like full width drag and drop ATS Kanban pipeline port, so they remain functional across mobile touch screen layout. Thank you.
Okay. Hi, my name is Hazin Hilmi, and I will continue present for S3. So, for the S3, first S3 is task importance. So the scope of work detail the functional requirements across all stakeholder tiers. Why these tasks are important because dictates system business logic, clarifies step-by-step procedure for critical interactive loops like user account registration, multi-step job application, and quick withdrawal. Enforce access control enforce access control, are, guarantee strict security boundaries, so job seekers can only see their dashboard, recruiters consume appropriate token credits, and admins maintain master control. So next slide is for challenge phase. So for the challenge is first complex pipeline workflow. Mapping out the sequential state change within the application lifestyle tracker. So the first apply, then right arrow, review, right arrow, back, shortlisted, right arrow, interview, right arrow, offer, right arrow, and the condition will be may get hit or rejected without causing logical dead ends. Second is managing regulatory edge case, incorporating specific regional security laws like Malaysia PDPA 2010, which require unit functional handling like a 7-day grace period during account deactivation. So that's all from me.
As for task importance, why these tasks are important? Guarantee high responsiveness means that we need to establish performance target. For example, page render under 2 seconds and search operation under 1.5 seconds is to preserve user retention during peak traffic. Second, ensure fault tolerance. Plan continuous site uptime target of 99.9% with automated database replication strategies to safeguard transactional state record from server crashes. Third is visualize process breakdown. Is connect processing nodes explicitly to separate isolated database like user, resume, job application, and complaints via the DFD level 1 diagrams. Challenge that we face: balancing performance versus security data checks, documenting file checking limits, like max 5 megabyte files running through asynchronous AWS S3 sandbox, without violating the 2-second speed rules. Second is DFD data store mapping, ensuring perfect alignment between 4 major operational processes and 5 distinct data repositories across various overlapping user paths.